Okay, ladies, here we go. Our next recipe for week 3. This is going to be the Parmesan garlic herb and chicken and sweet potatoes. A mouthful, but it is a mouthful of flavor too. So let me get you started with telling you that we're going to actually do the Instapot recipe here today. You'll notice on your recipe card that actually it is about a slow cooker and doing some things on the skillet, but I like fast and easy, so that's what I'm going to show you. So I have my Instapot out, okay, and I have my oil that I'm going to put about 2 tablespoons of oil down at the bottom just to make sure that it doesn't stick. Okay, got that in there. And I have my chicken thighs already here. Just kind of plop them down there at the bottom. Come on now, won't stick. And get that in there. You just want to layer it, kind of trying the best you can, make a single layer on the bottom here. And all right. So let me do this before I forget. Anytime you cook something in an Instapot, you want to put some type of liquid in there. And so I usually put about a half a cup. I prefer chicken broth, especially if I'm doing chicken. I've also sauteed other things and used beef broth or vegetable broth. But so I have my chicken broth in there down at the bottom. And then I have my garlic. I'm going to put our garlic in here. And we have oregano. A little bit of pepper, and now salt and pepper, of course, that's something that you want to do to taste. Your oregano and your thyme, that is going to be, I believe it's 1 tablespoon for this recipe, along with parsley. So we're going to get that in there, and that's my thyme. So easy. You notice I just dump, put in there. So my last thing is my sweet potatoes that I've chopped up into cubes, and I have that there. So we're just going to dump that right there on top. Okay, so you see that I have my spinach left. Now you can use your spinach in a couple of different ways. You can also toss your spinach in here and it cook down too as well. Or you can put it on fresh, just lay the chicken and sweet potatoes on top of fresh spinach. And that is what we're going to do today. And actually there's a third thing, is if you want to, of course, saute your spinach and just have it as a side item, you can definitely do that as well too. So with the Instapot, what you do is you kind of put this on here, maneuver it, and make sure I'm plugged all in and get started. Okay, you know what? Sometimes this thing gets, there it is, came back on. Okay, you got to make sure your plug is in there, and then you get your lid locked in there. One very important thing is that you want to make sure that this valve back here is moved backwards to the sealing position so that your Instapot will seal. After that, super easy, push poultry, and the minutes are going to come up to be whatever it was the last time you cooked it. I'm going to leave it at 20 here because my chicken is fresh. If your chicken was frozen, you might want to cook it a little bit longer. And you see it's already kind of starting up. It's going to take a few minutes to pressurize and get set, and then it'll count down for those 20 minutes, and then you have dinner is done. So that's it. Super easy, super tasty. I hope you enjoy it.